The table shows temperatures in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada on the 12th of each month from January to May of 2013. Using the information, answer the questions. Part A. What was the temperature in Saskatoon on January 12, taking into account the wind chill factor? On January the 12th, the reported temperature was minus 32. There is a wind chill factor of minus 10. So, the temperature taking into account wind chill on January the 12th is equals to minus 32 minus 10, which is equals to minus 42 degrees Celsius. Part B. What was the increase in temperature from January 12 to March the 12th without taking into account wind chill factors? The temperature reported on January the 12th was minus 32 degrees Celsius, and in March it was minus 15. It's warmer in March than in January because minus 15 degrees is closer to zero. The temperature increased from minus 32 degrees to minus 15 degrees, which is why the question wants to know what was the increase in temperature from January to March without taking into account wind chill factors. What we want to do is to take the difference between minus 32 and minus 15. We want to take the difference between those two numbers. Temperature increase is equals to, we use the absolute notation, and we take minus 32 subtract minus 15. We have minus 32 minus minus 15, which is equals to minus 32 plus 15, and this is equals to minus 17. The absolute value of minus 17 is 17. And we say that temperatures increased by 17 degrees Celsius, or we say that temperature change is 17 degrees Celsius, and this is plus 17 degrees Celsius. Temperature increase is always denoted by a positive number. Part C. What was the decrease in temperature from April 12 to January 12 without taking into account wind chill factors? Now this I am doing the reverse. Just now I want to look at the increase. Now I'm looking at a decrease. From April, it's reported that the temperature is 1 degree Celsius. It's positive. But in January before that, it's minus 32. Obviously, it's warmer in April than in January. And I want to find the decrease from April to January, the reverse. And I want to take the difference between these two numbers, minus 32 and 1. I want to take the difference between these two numbers to find the difference. So the temperature decrease is, again, I put the value in absolute notation. I take 1, subtract 32, or rather minus 32. So it's 1 minus minus 32, which is equals to 1 plus 32, and that is 33. And this is a positive 33. However, this doesn't mean that temperatures increased by 33. It actually decreased. We're going to write a statement, and you will see how writing a statement can make a difference. We say that temperatures decreased by 33 degrees. From 1, it dropped 33 degrees to minus 32. If you draw this number line and you start from 1 on the number line, you move 33 steps backwards from 1 on the number line. You end up on minus 32. So temperatures decreased by 33 degrees Celsius. We can also say that the temperature change is minus 33 degrees Celsius. 1 minus 33 degrees will give you minus 32 degrees. So we say that the temperature change is minus 33 degrees. Decrease in temperature is denoted by minus 33, and that is the change. It's a negative change. From the table, find the warmest day taking into account wind chill factors. We know that the warmest day is either April the 12th or May the 12th. So on May the 12th, the reported temperature is 6, but the wind chill is minus 10. So the temperature is 6 minus 10, which is minus 4 degrees. And then on April the 12th, the reported temperature was 1, but there is a wind chill of minus 2. So we take 1 minus 2 to find the temperature, the actual feel of the temperature, and this is equals to minus 1 degree Celsius. Between minus 4 and minus 1, minus 1 is warmer because it's closer to 0. So we say that April 12th was the warmest day with a temperature of minus 1 degree Celsius, taking into account the wind chill.